Welcome to Midtown Living at 1815 Yonge Street, right at Yonge and Davisville. You gotta check out this view. Here we are at 1815 Yonge Street, also known as MYC Condos, which stands for Merton Yonge Condos. We're right at the intersection of Yonge and Merton. I love this building. It is so upscale, it's so modern. I love it how you're greeted by a 24-hour concierge. You've got a party room, a theater room, a state-of-the-art gym, a terrace with barbecues, and all the amenities you really need to enjoy Midtown living. What's really important when you're purchasing a condo is how the condo flows in terms of layout. I love this 1-bedroom plus den that has 2 bathrooms. It's just under 800 square feet with a real open concept design. You have floor-to-ceiling windows and a gorgeous wraparound balcony that faces northwest. You'll be able to capture beautiful sunsets from the 11th floor. I also want to point out that the balcony access has 2 walkouts, one from the main living primary bedroom area and one closer to the kitchen. I have so much to say about this unit itself and this building. If you have any questions, any inquiries, feel free to hit me up on social media with a DM, text me, or I'm only a phone call away.